Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal for breakfast. To begin, select your preferred type of oats. Old-fashioned rolled oats are ideal for a creamy, satisfying bowl. You will also need a liquid, such as water or milk, and any delicious toppings you wish to add. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple preparation ensures a delightful and nutritious breakfast is just minutes away. For a classic stovetop oatmeal, combine 1/2 cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of your chosen liquid in a small saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. The oats will become wonderfully creamy as they absorb the liquid, creating a perfect breakfast. If you are short on time, the microwave method is incredibly convenient. Combine 1/2 cup of oats with 1 cup of liquid in a microwave-safe bowl. Cook on high for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, keeping a close eye to prevent overflow. After cooking, stir thoroughly and let it sit for 1 minute to allow it to thicken. Now comes the fun part, adding your favorite toppings like berries, sliced bananas, crunchy nuts, or a touch of maple syrup. For the best oatmeal experience, remember a few key tips. You can always adjust the amount of liquid to get your perfect consistency, whether you prefer it thicker or thinner. Be careful not to overcook, as this can make the oats mushy. A small pinch of salt can really bring out the natural flavors. Enjoying oatmeal for breakfast is a fantastic choice, offering sustained energy and plenty of dietary fiber to help you feel full and focused throughout your morning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.